2002 Ford Taurus dual overhead can, PCV valve, location and replacement. This is a pain in the butt. Okay, first of all, that's what the PCV valve looks like, and if you see, it has a groove on both sides. I don't know if this is going to solve my problem, but I'm having too high of RPMs. Anyway, it has to go in and then twist to lock down on that O-ring. Well, good luck getting at it, because that's the top of it. One guy said you could put a 1/7 inch socket around the top of it, and I don't have one, but I don't know how it would hold to anything. There's nothing to hold to. So that's the valve right there that's got to be replaced. It might be leading to a high idle. Okay, so before I pull this thing out, let me show you the location. First of all, there's an elbow. I'm going to point to the elbow right there. Okay, see if I can focus on it. That's the elbow. Okay, it's quite large, and you can see way up in there, you might be able to see a clamp. Okay, I'll move it back and forth. So that's a 90-degree elbow going up inside here. So this is where your mass airflow sensor and all that stuff is. I thought I might have to remove the throttle body just to get an angle on this thing, but no. So this is how I was able to do it. It goes in that way, right? Goes straight in, and let me put it right here. Let me put it up here. I'm gonna drop it. Okay. Then it has a hose that could easily be cracked and broken. It's full of oil. Okay, this one's not. Looks like it's okay. Maybe it's leaking here. I was going to replace the hose anyway, but that goes on there, right? So it's straight. So the only way I could grab it was needle nose pliers, and I literally jammed the needle nose pliers through the top of this thing and twisted and pulled the valve. I'm about to pull it out, and this has been one of the most difficult, simple things to do ever. You got to move this out of the way, and if you move it out of the way, let me see if I can get it. You might be able to see that's the PCV valve. It's already been taken out, and I've got those needle nose jammed in there. It has taken a tremendous amount of time to get this out, and of course I don't want to drop it, and I did. I figured that would happen. So the PCV valve is in there somewhere. I don't know if I can grab it. I can feel it bouncing around. It fell over that way. Okay, so it's right there. You should be able to see it. It's right there. Okay, so I'm going to try and get that out, and then I got to get this in, which means this has to go in that hole and be pushed down and twisted at the same time. I don't know if it's possible. So I have a grinder, and I can grind. These are messed up anyway, so I can grind and try to see if I can get it to the point where it'll slide in a little bit better. But that's all I was able to come up with, was literally grabbing it, and I don't want to break it obviously, but that's the only way I can think of to get it back in. Oh man, what a pain. Wish me luck.